Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys wallpaper setting in our Samsung phone. So guys, you want to set guys any wallpaper in your Samsung phone. So guys, how can you set guys wallpaper in your Samsung phone guys? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, how to set wallpaper in our Samsung phone guys? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So then first of all, open your phone setting to set your wallpaper. So as you can see this type of setting. So what will you have to do guys? You will have to click on guys your wallpaper setting. Then as you can see my wallpaper, so I tap here. So which wallpaper guys you like guys you want to set. So example for guys we will take this ball one wallpaper, and guys you can see home screen, lock screen, home and lock screen guys where you want to set. So I want to set guys both of. I will tap here set. As you can see wallpaper has set it. So you can see guys this new wallpaper setting, and guys we will, as you can see lock screen wallpaper, and as you can see your home screen wallpaper. So I hope friends you have understood how to set a wallpaper in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.